Hello guys, this video is to show you how to open the websites which are can't be reached or which display as blocked or something. In my country, these websites which gives me torrent links are blocked. And torrent links and these torrent links are used to download new movies which we can download newly released movies by using uTorrents. In this website, by using uTorrent website, I used to download the movies. But to download the movies, I just need the torrent link. These torrent links are available in many websites, like this website 1337x2.to or this like Torlog. But while I try to open this website, it says like this site can't be reached. So I have used a simple method to open these types of website. I will show you now how to open this website with just a simple step. Just you have to add an extension, that's it. Please, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. After I am using this Chrome browser. This is the Chrome browser. So the extensions are available in my Chrome web store. Just you have to type Chrome web store. After typing this, you have to type in the search bar hotspot shield. Just type free. You have to type free. After typing this, it will show some apps, some extensions. You have to select this one, the first one, hotspot shield free VPN proxy. Select this and add it to Chrome. It is showing like remove from Chrome, but I have already added this to my Chrome web browser, so it is showing like remove from Chrome. If you are a new user, just add to Chrome. It will be added to your Chrome. After adding, it will not be displayed on this bar. This is the extensions bar. If you have multiple type of extension, it will show the mostly used extensions only here. If you don't get to see the extensions here, just type this just click this extension icon, click it, and you will see all the extensions here. The extension which I have added from Chrome web store, it is displaying here, but I have to pin it, so I can use directly from here, not going into the settings section, into the extension section and owning it. So I have just pinned it so it can be displayed on my screen. After pinning it, just look, this website can't be reached. Now I am clicking this. If you are new user, it will maybe ask you to sign up. Just sign it up and you can use it. After clicking this, it will show this in this way. Just click to connect this. Just click it. It will start the hotspot shield. After the shield is started, just refresh it. Refresh the websites which are not opening. I'm refreshing this also. Look, this one already opened and this one also opened. Now I can search the links which I want and I can download the movies. Just a simple step. I will show you clearly if I switch off this VPN shield, if it works or not. Let's see. I have stopped this. Let's see it is going to open or not. I'm going to refresh it. This one also. Look how much time it is taking to open just a simple website, because I have off the hotspot shield. It will show now like this site can't be reached. I'm going to open it again for you so you can get a clear idea how it works. Just I'm clicking to connect. Look, it is automatically refreshing the websites. It is not refreshed. Look, it has been opened. I'm refreshing it again. And look, this is also open. Just a simple method. You can use these websites. And how to download by using this torrent links from uTorrent. I have made another video. Just check the video. You can easily download new movies from by using torrent links and a simple software called uTorrent. You can download any type of movies with high quality. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.